want chocolate? Comments? Yes, you want some? Is that a lot? No, you got it. You see how you need that's 10 hours. 10 hours, 2 hours. Yeah, but it's like for the, you see the rainbow. Yeah. That's what, who was see the road, it's always there. So I just think that each one of them. Just that one. Like, when I don't even know what they look like. When you see yours, I drop it. So, yes, beautiful. So, choose my place. Yes, we got it. And then they asked me that, so I didn't see the play for it. I'm like, I don't know. I'm so scared. I'm gonna feel. But, yeah. If I get well, I'll put it in front. But if I need to have it, you guys are sensitive. Okay. I think I know from the academy. Did you listen to it? Not that much. A little. Really? How? I don't know. What? Because you get pissed a lot. Why not pissed, but like you get annoyed. Really? When? Right now. I'm not annoyed. Our work is different. Maria pisses me off. That's why I want to get her to get in a role. You would Maria. Well, I really didn't do that. It's music, yeah. Really? I can make my own role last time. That's different. That's letting it out. Crashing out like that. Maria's like super, like she's always in my ear all the time. She's mad at me. Nice to know you. I showed you that one. They're so funny. Look, they're trying to go to New York. No. I was supposed to continue buying up and having 100. How you been? No, I don't think I'm going to either. When I went to Oregon in January, I was like, I was so cold. Yeah, I got cold. Yeah, it was crazy. We did a little trip. Planet. With the Yura and Korea. Maybe they'll like soon fall in love, you know? Yeah, hopefully by that time they're like, oh my god. Oh, I love that. Wait, didn't she tell somebody that she's like delusional? Oh yeah, she is. She told me that. She always tells me that. She told me so much that I'm like, half of the time it was like in and out. And then Louis was like, I don't know, like, he's always looking at that. Dude, he is. And then when Kathy was like, and you were gonna do that today? I didn't have to remind you tonight. I didn't have to see you. How long was it there? I'm gonna do it. You like you like go ahead and I just want to really honest right now. I can really trust you though. Are you sure? You're in trouble. I think they give it to me already. I think I no, my dad keeps me focused. The only one I was like, I love is my mom. So I just like, no control. Wait, what was your brother's birthday? What time do you want tomorrow? Dude, I need to try, because I can't be like, dude, I'm going to Target. I thought I had time to shop around, I didn't. How come they don't want to go with us to the barbecue? That's interesting. Good, well, 12? Oh, I didn't like 10. Jessica was like, oh my god, we're here. So ghetto. Right? Bro, it's all doing, not even that, she's like, this is normal, and her house is right here, like that, this is eight. She lived basically the four closer to Norwich, that's weird. Yeah, no, they're good. You literally live for what are you talking about? She's like, no, I don't. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's Marvel at 9. Hell yeah. Bro, I work, and then Monday I work 8, Wednesday 8, Friday 8, and Saturday 8, Sunday 8. Yeah. How did I work like 7.4 hours today? Check it out. Put your black stick down. Everyone just takes their head out and see what's out there. There's gonna be way too cold out there in the winter. Last week I was like 38 hours. Before I took the for the 2 weeks I was like 100 hours cold. It was like, I feel like the most I caught it was like for like 2 weeks, literally non-stop. It was like 65 hours. 65 hours? What was on the mountain? My child. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I think it's not. So I can text a lot. I can text a lot. Mine is not like it now. Mine can up to 1,200. But they should be like at 1,500. That's a little bit. I do like that. You like the second dog? You like the second dog? I was telling my girls like I like it. I used to work there. Really? I put it down. And that's the one is right up. The one is right up. They were asking me to stay, but yeah, I promised me I was straight away. But when I started working, they were only paying me 16 or something like that. That was all I was like, can't. But they wanted me to do full time there. But it was like 40 minutes, 40 minutes away. And it was far, right? It's far. Passing on. Come on, Chico. You got this. Straight. It's probably packed out there. Come on, straight. Straight, Alex, straight. Yeah. How did you get it? That's crazy. So, I'm gonna grab it. It's like, try. You got it? Yeah. I was trying to get it on. Wait, what? Listen to. I want to go right now. I want to go right now. I only have one. Go. This one. Over here. That should hurt, but I want to get the one I should put in the picture. Oh, you said no. Why? Wait, I don't know. What's the meaning of it? What's the meaning of yours? To get my mom pissed. Wait, to get my mom pissed? Oh, really? Okay, great. Yeah, that's like $60. Like that. $60? Yeah. That's cheap as hell. I wonder because these like this one tattoo shop like right by my house. I don't know how much actually though. It's like they're doing boxes. It's like $2. It's like $100. And they're like those two necklaces big. It's like $100. She's standing on 1913, 400. So I don't remember exactly how much. Yeah, she's standing over. Go like this, and then you go down. This, and then, yeah, go straight. Yeah, there you go. Which best friend? What? Stop. Yeah.